In this video, I'll show you how to set up OpenClaw with Google's new Edge model, Gemma 4 E4B. Google's Gemma 4 E4B is specifically optimized to run on everyday laptops and edge devices. But unlike standard chat models, it natively supports complex agentic workflows. That means it can reason, plan multi-step tasks, and intelligently use external tools. But the best part about this setup is that it completely eliminates your API cost. Since we are running the model entirely on your own hardware, you never have to worry about token limits or paying per prompt anymore. So let's dive in. To get OpenClaw running locally with Google's Gemma 4 model, our first step is installing the backend engine, Ollama. Head over to the official Ollama website, just click the copy icon right next to the command, open up Windows PowerShell, and then paste the command we just copied and then hit enter. Sit back for a moment while PowerShell pulls down the installer and sets up Ollama. Once it hits 100% and displays the install complete, the core engine is ready to go. Now we need to grab the actual AI model. For this OpenClaw setup, type Ollama pool Gemma 4 E4B and then press enter. This tells Ollama to download the model's manifest and waits to your machine. So this might take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. Once the download process says success, type Ollama list. You should see Gemma 4 E4B sitting right there in your local registry with its file size confirmed. Finally, to allow OpenClaw to communicate with this model, we need to spin up the local API server, type Ollama serve. What you are looking for is the line that says it's listening on a specific port. This confirms your local AI server is active, listening, and ready to be hooked up to your OpenClaw agent. With our local Ollama server running in the background, open a new PowerShell window. It's time to fire up the agent interface. So type Ollama launch OpenClaw and then press enter. OpenClaw will present a setup menu with a list of available models. Highlight Gemma 4 E4B and then hit enter to select it. Next, you'll be asked to confirm changes to your OpenClaw configuration file. The system safely creates a backup of your old settings, so just highlight yes and press enter to lock in Gemma 4 as your primary engine. The system will now run through its startup sequence and drops you into the Terminal User Interface or TUI. Now let's test the connection to make everything is working. In the chat area, I'll type a quick hi there. OpenClaw processes the prompt entirely through Gemma 4 locally and responds almost instantly. If you look at the status bar at the bottom, it confirms that the Gemma 4 E4B model is the active engine processing our text. For a final test, let's ask, what is your name? The model perfectly adopts its system persona, identifying itself as OpenClaw, and explains its agentic capabilities. And just like that, you have a fully autonomous agent running right on your desktop. But before you try and automate your entire life, let's set some expectations. Gemma 4 E4B is awesome because it's so lightweight. It's built for speed and runs locally without melting your laptop. This makes it perfect for simple everyday tasks like managing files, sorting emails, or scraping a web page. But if you need to tackle serious heavy lifting like writing complex code or advanced reasoning, you'll eventually need more brainpower. The good news is OpenClaw is super modular. You can easily plug it into the APIs of the latest powerhouse models like ChatGPT or Claude. This gives you the best of both worlds. If this setup helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Drop a comment below and let me know what is the very first thing you're going to automate. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.